Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to create an Apple ID in 2023. Whether you're a new iPhone user or just need a new Apple ID, we've got you covered. Step 1. Open the Apple ID website. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to appleid.apple.com. This is the website where you'll create your Apple ID. Step 2. Click on Create Your Apple ID. Next, click on the Create Your Apple ID button. You'll be asked to enter your email address, first name, last name, and date of birth. Make sure to enter this information accurately as it will be used to verify your identity. Step 3. Choose your username and password. Once you've entered your personal information, you'll need to choose a username and password. Your username will be the email address you entered earlier, but you can choose a different one if you prefer. For your password, make sure to choose a strong one that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 4. Add a phone number for verification. Apple will ask you to add a phone number to verify your identity. This is an important step, as it will help you recover your account if you ever forget your password. Enter your phone number and Apple will send you a verification code. Step 5. Enter your verification code. After you receive your verification code, enter it into the website to verify your phone number. Apple will use this information to verify your identity and make sure that you're not a robot. Step 6. Set up two-factor authentication. Finally, you'll need to set up two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. This is an important security feature that will help keep your account safe. You can choose to receive a code via text message or use an authentication app like Google Authenticator. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully created an Apple ID in 2023. Now you can use your Apple ID to access all of Apple's services, including the App Store, iCloud, and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.